Hi, my name is Charmaine Vega and I'm here to show you how to make barbecue chicken drumettes. The reason I have drumettes is because I use them in two different sizes so that little kids can get them as well as adults. First, I pre-seasoned with Mama Vega's hillbilly rub and minced garlic. Then what I do is I take them and I put them in the oven for 30 minutes on each side. When you take them out of the oven, you're going to let them sit for approximately 5 minutes. And then you're going to season them with Mama Vega's hillbilly sauce. After that, what you can now do is serve these with a nice little side salad or some fresh fruit, for the little kids, because that'll make a complete dish that's healthy for them and it's a quick snack, or you can just use it as a part of a main meal. As Mama Vega always says, chew on this.